check this out. How come we didn't figure this out before? You take your crackers, your standard saltine crackers, spread them on the plate the way you want them laid out. Then you take your standard pack of cheese slices, because we're trying to work efficiently here, right? We want no waste between the cheese and the cracker. So take your cheese slices, just like that. Then we only need 2 here, actually. Take your router knife, of course, nothing but the best, and then you just slice your cheese into 4 pieces like that. How cool is that? And look, they fit perfectly on the cracker. I tell you, it's only taken me 60 years to figure this out. Okay, then you take your tomato with a nice sharp router knife, as only a router knife can be this sharp. Okay, because remember, God is in the tomatoes. Here it is. Okay, so we take a slice of tomato. See how perfectly they fit? Because these are Roma tomatoes. None of those other weird tomatoes that you girls are always buying. I need 2 more. Because Roma fit perfectly. There. I'll put that one there. Then you take your ground pepper with your trusty German grinder, please. None of these cheap plastic things. Bit of salt. Nice rock salt here. And there you have it. Perfectly placed cheese crackers. You're welcome. Bye.